Hi, in this video, we will discuss 9 practical steps to help you pay off your debt easily. Step 1. Assess your debt. The first step is to assess your debt. Create a list of all your debts, including the outstanding balance, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Assessing your debt is a crucial initial step towards financial recovery. Begin by listing all your outstanding debts, including loans, credit cards, and other financial obligations. Make sure to note the total balance, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments for each debt. This comprehensive overview of your financial situation will help you formulate a strategic plan for tackling your debts and achieving a debt-free future. Step 2. Set clear goals. Step 2 is all about setting clear goals. Determine how much you want to pay off and when you want to be debt-free. Having specific goals will keep you motivated and on track. Setting clear goals is paramount when it comes to paying off debt. Determine how much debt you want to eliminate and set a specific target date for achieving a debt-free status. These goals provide motivation and focus, allowing you to measure your progress along the way. Whether it's paying off, allowing you to measure your progress, credit card, a student loan, or your mortgage. Having well-defined objectives will help you stay committed and disciplined in your debt repayment journey. Step 3. Create a budget. Next, create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back to free up extra cash for debt repayment. Creating a budget is an essential step in managing your finances and paying off debt. Start by documenting your income and tracking your monthly expenses. This process helps you understand where your money is going and enables you to identify areas where you can cut back. By establishing a realistic budget, you can allocate funds towards debt repayment while ensuring your essential living expenses are covered. It's a fundamental tool for achieving your financial goals. Step 4. Prioritize high-interest debt. Step 4 is all about prioritizing high-interest debt. Focus on paying on debts with the highest interest rates first. This will save you money in the long run. Prioritizing high-interest debt is crucial for efficient debt repayment. By focusing on the debts with the highest interest rates, you minimize the overall cost of borrowing. Tackling these debts first, such as credit card balances or loans with steep interest, allows you to save money in the long run. This strategy helps you become debt-free faster and more economically, setting you on the path to financial security. Step 5. Snowball or avalanche method. Step 5 is choosing a debt repayment strategy. You can either use the debt snowball method, that is, paying off the smallest debts first for quick wins, or the debt avalanche method, that is, paying off the highest interest debts first for maximum savings. Find the strategy which is best suited for you. The snowball and avalanche methods are two popular strategies for paying off debt. The snowball method involves tackling your smallest debts first, creating a sense of accomplishment as you pay them off and gain momentum. In contrast, the avalanche method focuses on the highest interest debts, saving you the most money in the long term. Both methods are effective, and you should choose the one that aligns with your financial goals and motivation style to successfully eliminate your debts. Step 6. Increase your income. Increasing your income is step 6. Look for side gigs, part-time work, or freelance opportunities to generate extra income that can be put towards your debt. Increasing your income is a valuable tactic for expediting debt repayment. Look for opportunities to boost your earnings, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or exploring side gigs. The additional income generated can be directly allocated towards paying off your debts, accelerating the process, and relieving financial burdens. By diversifying your income streams, you'll have more financial resources to conquer your debt and achieve greater financial stability. Step 7. Negotiate with creditors. Step 7 is all about negotiation. Contact your creditors to see if you can negotiate lower interest rates or more favorable repayment terms. They might be willing to work with you. Negotiating with creditors is a proactive approach to managing debt. Reach out to your creditors to discuss your financial situation and explore potential options for relief. You may be able to negotiate for lower interest rates, extended repayment terms, or even settle for a reduced lump sum payment. Effective communication with creditors can lead to more manageable debt repayment plans, making it easier to stay on top of your financial obligations and ultimately become debt free. Step 8. Build an emergency fund. Step 8 is to build an emergency fund. Having a small savings cushion can prevent you from further into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Building an emergency fund is a crucial step in managing your finances while paying off debt. This fund acts as a safety net, providing a financial cushion for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. By setting aside a small portion of your income into a dedicated savings account, you can avoid accumulating more debt when unforeseen costs arise. This ensures you stay on track with your debt repayment plan and offers peace of mind in times of financial instability. Step 9. Stay committed. Step 9 is to stay committed. Paying off debt is difficult, but not always. It's incredibly rewarding. Stay disciplined, track your progress, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Staying committed is the cornerstone of successfully paying off debt. The journey may be challenging, but maintaining discipline and resolve is essential. Keep your financial goals in mind and track your progress. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Consider seeking support from friends or financial advisors to stay motivated. Remember, financial freedom is the ultimate reward, and by staying committed to your debt repayment plan, you'll pave the way for a brighter, debt-free future. So there you have it, 9 practical steps to pay off your debt easily. Remember, it's a journey and it might take time, but with determination and the right strategy, you can achieve financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone you know who might be struggling with debt. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.